everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I am doing a quick Christmas decor apartment tour for you tonight. Excuse my look, I just got done doing errands and picking up the kids from their activities. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and show you our cute little apartment Christmas decor. Alright, so as we enter the apartment here, there's my slippers. But so as we enter the apartment, there is our Christmas tree. I did a white, silver, gold, and rose gold theme this year. This is my mom's wreath that I got from her. It has little cute Hummel dolls on there. This wreath means the world to me because every year my stepdad would give her one of these Hummel ornaments. And I just think they're so adorable and so cute. It was her precious collectibles. So yeah, so I kind of just spruced up the ribbon and put some candy canes on there. Over here, I just got some stockings for the girls. And if you guys watched Come Shop With Me, I just got them some Skittles for their stocking stuffers because they love Skittles. And I'm probably going to put some other stuff in there, maybe some cute pens and pencils for school. Over here, I have the cute little nativity set that I got from Big Lots. And I just got these cute little silver Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. And you guys know I got this one from Big Lots. And I have the table runner, which I put on the TV stand to match it. I'm going to go ahead and show you this in case you didn't watch my Come Shop With Me video. Okay, so moving on. So that is the front. And my daughter picked out the star on the top. It's a beautiful rose gold color tree topper. So that is our tree for this year. This year we got this one on sale at Big Lots. It was only $38. It's a 6-foot tree and it's so cute and it's already pre-lit. What a great deal that was. And the ornaments also came from Big Lots and a little bit of it from the 99-cents only store. Okay, over here, these little cute like felt type ornament and snowflake decor. So yeah, so that was only $1 from the Dollar Tree. So I got the white and the red. I just thought that was so festive, so pretty. And these right here are from the Dollar Tree, the red poinsettias, and then I got the little silver accents on there and the pine cone and the little red seeds. So that was $3. They were $1 a piece, and then I got one for this side also. Okay, and then this is the table runner that I got at Big Lots to match the side table covers. And then these are the cute candle holders from Big Lots also in rose gold. I just thought that was such a pretty color and design. And here is the other side table. So that is the smaller version, just like the one that was under the nativity set. So it's just so cute, you guys. It's so simple and I love snowflakes. So I had to do the snowflake theme this year. And there is the big snowflake right up there above the TV. So that is the view of the little decors I got from the Dollar Tree from this view and Big Lots for the snowflake runner and the candle holders. I got these pillows at Big Lots. This one we've had. These are from Walmart. And this one here is so beautiful. It's the rose gold snowflake design. And it's so soft. It's just so nice to have on the couch. It is so soft. That is just Maddie barking. Okay, and then I got this rose gold, silver, and white pillow, accent pillow. It has the pink lining trim. And then I just have the same look on this side of the couch too. So from this angle, that is what it looks like. Our couch is really simple. I was gonna put a couple of red pillows, but I think I just wanted it simple and keep the couch really comfortable and not have too many pillows on there. So it's a nice simple look. Okay, and there is Maddie, you guys. She eats her kibbles everywhere. I just swept the floor and mopped, and she's already starting to like bring her kibbles everywhere. If you could see, there's one down there. So there is her kibble. She just took a bath. I gave her a bath earlier this evening, late afternoon. So she is nice and fresh, but she is making a mess on my tree skirt. Oh my gosh, I have to sweep it again, you guys. And here's that candy tray, you guys, that I got at the Dollar Tree. I put the Andes mints, some candy canes, and the strawberry candy. So when we have visitors or for us, they can just grab a piece of candy, and it is so cute. And that thing right there is so affordable. So it was $1, and the candies were $1 a piece for the bag, or $1 each for each bag. Okay, so moving on into the dining room. Over here, I just kept our dining room really simple. I still kept the black placemats from IKEA. And I didn't buy the chair covers, you guys. If you were with me on the Come Shop With Me, I was debating on the Santa Claus chair covers, but I didn't do it this time. I just kind of wanted a simple look for Christmas. So here is the beautiful centerpiece that I really liked. I seen this when I first saw this at Big Lots. I was like, this is so cute. It's nice and simple, very festive, very traditional. And the little light candle inside is from Dollar Tree. It's just a LED light, but it looks so nice to put in there. And then this was from Big Lots. It's so cute, just really simple, not too elaborate. And I just really like that for the center of the table. And there is my hot tea because I am not feeling well. So yeah, so I kept the dining room really simple. And right over here, I just have a little Merry Christmas sign. And then I bought those 2 gold ribbons. They came in a 2-pack for $1 at Dollar Tree, and that sign was also from Dollar Tree. And then here is the other sign that I got at Dollar Tree. It says Merry Christmas, and there is the other bow. Okay, so moving on into the kitchen area, I didn't really do much. I just went ahead and got a nice cinnamon scented candle. And I still have the pumpkin from Halloween, but it's a neutral color, and it says thankful. And the potpourri is like a vanilla scented potpourri. And I just kept it on the counter because it's a neutral color, even though it's a pumpkin. I figure it's still the fall season, so I'm not gonna take it down yet. So I just keep my counter really simple with the fruits on there and a candle that we love to burn. Okay, and in the kitchen, I just put these towels are from my mom or my aunt, my auntie. She just gave it to me, my auntie. I don't know if it was hers or my mom's, way back from the 1980s. So I put it there, and we have this one here to wipe our hands with, but those towels are just for display. Okay, over here by the coffee area, I just bought this sign that says, all is calm, all is bright. Just a cute little sign there. Okay, and then over here on this side of the kitchen, I just got a little sign also from Dollar Tree that says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my little Christmas decor for our apartment. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. We will be doing more videos this month on some baking, and also we're gonna do like a gingerbread house for you, some arts and crafts, some makeup looks, just different videos. So just look out for them. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell symbol. That way you will be notified on our future video uploads. And press that like button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, everyone. And sorry again for my voice. I am getting sick, I think. So stay well out there, you guys, and stay warm. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.